Hi everyone, as you can see, we're going to be playing on the SMP today. We're here outside our house right now, and we are going to go do some prankage. But first we're going to sleep. I took so long filming this intro, it actually turned to night, so let's go do that. And I have some excellent, beautiful blocks in my inventory that we're going to use to do some serious prankage that everyone's going to have a hearty laugh at. You see, chat, chat. Can you tell I'm a Twitch streamer and not a YouTuber? You see, dear viewer, we have the most elite sense of comedy here on this channel, and I have some very good plans on how to execute this prank. Is peni the plural of penises? Peni? Probably. Our first target, is anyone online? Good, we're the only ones. Here we go. Oh no, that is simply too tall. There we go. This is the ultimate prank. And then 1, 2. Ho ho ho. Jordan is gonna be so surprised when they log on. Oh, okay, that one can be bigger than the rest. That's like the ultimate one. Okay. You've been pranked. Who should we say it's by? Oh, should we pin this on Micro? Let's pin this on Micro. Oh, this is gonna be great. Dear viewer, this is how you do a prank. Harmless, fun, and we can take none of the blame. Chat. Oh, dear viewer. Oh, dear viewer, we hath arrived. Let's ruin their gorgeous scenery with some diorite peni. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, that one's gonna be tiny though. Shall we add more? Let's add one more right here. And this will be the large one. This will be the main one, the main event. Okay, cool, okay. And we'll add here, you've been pranked again, and we'll pin this on Micro. You've been pranked. Micro. Alright, who's next? Whoever's at spawn, you're next. Okay. We're doing good. We're good. We're really good. Community house deserves one. Maybe we'll put this one here. This is great. You've been pranked. Micro. Alright, next target. Guy. Oh, we're gonna do this all before someone logs on. This is gonna be great. Yes, cacti's mailbox. Alright, let's build them on these. On these, I say. You've been pranked. Micro. Alright, let's go find Cherish's house. Oh, we're doing so good. Dear viewer. Anyways. Building diorite peni. Building diorite peni. I think that's Jordan's house. We can't miss Jordan. Jordan, I mean, Tantum's house. We can't miss Tantum. I for some reason keep calling them by the other's name. And they're not even similar. Like at all, Tantum and Jordan. I mean, they're both 2 syllables, I guess. What's this? Oh. A pit. Making my way uptown, walking fast, faces passing, I'm homebound. Tantum's home. Bound for Tantum's home. Should we make it inside? There's not really a lot of space. Here we go. Hopefully no one logs on. Okay. Micro. Beautiful, beautiful work by me. Absolutely phenomenal. Alright, where's Cherish's house? Oh, Cherish! Oh, Cherish! Where art thou? This is cool. Oh, I see some torches over here. Could there be a cow's house, perhaps? Oh, look at this. And we're gonna deface the inside of Cherish's house because I think that's funny. Oh, there's a fox. And the cat is facing the corner. You saw nothing. Some tasteful peni. Got him. Got him. Time to head back. Mission successful. Loser. Oh, we didn't prank them! I came all the way here, I didn't even prank them! Thank God we have some left. Thank God we have some left. They were almost left out. They were almost left out. We don't want anybody to feel left out, okay? We're gonna need to make some tiny peni. There we go. Perfect. You've been pranked. Micro. Alright, time to head out. Job well done, boys. Job well done. Where's the way out? God, they made a large place, didn't they? I could have sworn it was this way. Oh, there we go. Alright. Speeding our way out of here, boys. Mission successful. Oh, we did prank them. Oh, well, they get two. They get two of them. We're not one to... We go above and beyond here on the James the Bug channel. Let's head to spawn. We'll log off from a job well done. Okay, that's the end of the video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I play a lot on the MicrowaveSMP on my Twitch channel if you'd like to come watch me there. It's James the Bug. There'll be a link in the description. You can come follow me. We have a lot of fun. I'm trying to hit 300 followers. We're just like 70 or so away as of recording this. So thank you so much. Yeah, goodbye, everyone.